Here I have a HP laptop and it appears to be dead, so we'll see. You press the power button, but yeah, it looks like it's not charging. Usually there should be a little light on the side that should glow, so it looks like it is a charger problem. Let me see if I can get a connector here. I have several different adapters, and let's see if we can find the right one for that one. So it's a little blue, and it has that little pin in the middle. Looks like that. Okay. Usually these take about 19 volts. Let me just check. Yeah, it's 19.5 volts. And I think I'm gonna test the transformer first. So we'll test one cable on the inside. Yeah, it's not good. I'm not getting any voltage. There we go. I'm getting 17 volts. That seems a little low. So it's drawing about 300 milliamps. That's not more normal, I don't think. The funny thing is that light doesn't turn on. Bottom right hand corner, it does give you the charge symbol, and if I switch from my power supply to this jack here, it does show that it is charging here, and the light appears there. I'm measuring a low voltage on this, so the output of this guy should be 19 volts. You can see it's 19 volts, but when I measure it, I'm not getting that, so it's basically a bad charger. I would say what you have to do is it's an issue with the power adapter, okay, because sometimes this fluctuates. It could be like a capacitor or something in that, but I was measuring 17 volts, but then after I unplugged it, it went back to 19, and then if this side charge light doesn't turn on, then that's your issue. So what I would do is just unplug it for a bit, and with the computer off, and then if you have a multimeter, just measure the voltage and see if you're getting 19 volts. So right there I'm getting 19 volts. That means that that's fine there. And so that kind of fixes it. If you're still having a problem, I would say like it could be a connection here, but you can try like wiggling this a little bit. But I have my bench power supply, and so when I wiggled it, it was still solid charging. So that means that this contact inside is fine. So there we go. That's how to fix your HP laptop that's not charging. Seems to be going good. And it may not have been fully powered down too, so hopefully this has fixed your problem. If not, there's other videos online. You can check them out. Just keep on repairing things. Another interesting thing is not related to electronics, but if you go onto Amazon and type in my name, I recently published a couple books. So Benjamin Newson, and you can see I published my very first fiction story. It's called Heart of Stone, where this guy is having these dreams. They're feeling really real, and then later he actually wakes up in his dream. I also have written another book about memory tricks, as I'm a teacher, and also about my life experiences when I spent 7 years in China. So check out those books. If you want to help the channel, you can buy any of those, and I'll see you in the next repair video.